Hi, hello, aloha Seascapers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Shani from Seascape Getaways, your Caribbean cruise bestie. How are you? Today we're talking about 5 things you need to pack for your Caribbean cruise that'll make your trip smoother, easier, and way more fun. Let's jump right in. Number 1. These are in no particular order. It's just 5 things that I always pack. How's that? Reef safe sunscreen. A lot of Caribbean islands require it now, and even if they don't, it's better for the ocean and better for your skin. Regular sunscreen can get you turned away at some beaches, so pack a bottle before you sail. Waterproof phone pouch. This is always important for me because I'm always on my phone. So, it's a lifesaver. If you're on a catamaran or at a beach or just dealing with splashy tenders, a waterproof phone pouch keeps your phone safe and lets you take photos in the water. Trust me, use it every single day. I use it in the pool. I use it in the hot tub. I just use it because I am clumsy. And God forbid I drop my phone in the water while I'm on vacation and I can't use it. That would be terrible. Magnetic hooks. I do take these because it does help with the room organization a little bit. Mine, I didn't get the right ones. My friend sent me her link to get them. They hold more weight. I do use mine. It holds my hats and like my bathing suit, but it won't hold more than one thing. But get the strong ones because your whole room is metal, and you can put them on the walls, and it saves you some space in the drawers and easy to grab. I put my lanyard on there or my cruise card or whatever I have to take my cruise thing with me. It helps your organization a lot. Towel clips. These are really good because when you're on, even if you're at the beach and you have it and you get a lounge chair, the towel clips help. Because it's always windy, right? Especially on the pool deck. If you're on the pool deck on the cruise ship, a towel clip or one of those little bands is very helpful because your towels go flying, everything goes flying. I feel like it's always super windy on the deck, so always like plan for wind, right? Number 5. This is my most important thing, a portable fan, a little battery operated. Mine's a charging one. They can get warm, especially interior ones. They can get a little stuffy, so the fan helps move the air around a little bit. They all have air conditioning, but you know, even at home, when I have the air conditioner on, I have the ceiling fan on, or we have a stand-up fan. We always have a fan. It keeps the air moving around. It helps you sleep a little better. The white noise helps. So, mine's portable, so if you're going to the beach and it's going to be really hot that day, you can even bring that with you. It's real easy. You just fold it, stick it in your bag. So it's a really, really good thing to bring. If you need any of these items, I put the links down below. If you want to use them, they're in the description. They're almost the exact ones except the hooks. I did not get those hooks yet, and they are on my wish list. I'm getting them next. So those are my must-buy pack items. I also have a packing do's and don'ts, what you can't bring and what you can bring. I have a list. If you want that, comment list below. I'll send it over to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more cruise tips. Thank you for joining today. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.